Here I'm going to talk about installing a K-swap aftermarket clutch line. So here I am figuring out where to run my clutch line. It will make it easier to remove the ends and install those first. Then install the line to the ends. The installation was easier for me to access it from the bottom. Now I'm installing the line to the clutch master cylinder. I remove the end connectors first. Make sure to use the 2 copper ring washers that came with the kit, one on both sides of the banjo fitting. I installed the banjo fitting on the clutch master cylinder and tightened it with a wrench. Then I tightened the clutch line with a wrench. So the next thing we're going to do here is just go ahead and put brake fluid in. Okay, underneath here is the brake slave, and it's an 8mm. We're just gonna break it open and we're just gonna gravity bleed it. Just make sure you have something to catch the fluid with. Make sure to keep it filled. Okay, if it's a stream like this, go ahead and close it. Now go ahead and just top it off. Okay, and then I'm going to test my clutch. Just keep doing this until it gets, you can feel the pressure push back, and then just keep doing it to get the air out. So if you have to, go back and re-bleed it.